making it more comfortable for shooting while maintaining its compact size and capable performance. The G7X2 is built around a 1-inch type CMOS sensor, giving it better image quality than a small sensor compact camera or a smartphone. The built-in lens is a fast f1.8 to 2.8 24 to 100 millimeter zoom, providing a lot of reach and decent low-light capabilities in a small package. The tilting touchscreen LCD makes it easy to set up and take your shots from any angle, making it ideal for selfies or street photography. The image quality, especially color rendition, is excellent on the G7X2. Its fast burst shooting enables you to capture the action. The grip is comfortable in the hand, and the control ring around the lens can be set to smooth or clicky, making it useful for both photo and video shooting. Our criticisms of the G7X2 are a relatively disappointing battery life and slightly mushy fine details in JPEGs. Overall, the Canon G7X2 is a well-designed enthusiast compact camera that can capture good quality photos and videos. This pocketable camera is a significant improvement over its predecessor and sits near the top of its class. For more information about the Canon G7X2 and all things photographic,
I'm delighted to announce a new version, the Canon EOS M50 Mark II. Beginning with the excellence of the current EOS M50, the M50 Mark II adds new AF capabilities in eye detection and in video AF performance, new video features, and a host of additional refinements. But its heart, a 24.1 million pixel CMOS image sensor, 4K video, vari-angle LCD with touch panel, and shooting speeds up to 10 frames per second remain intact. More than ever, customers expect strong autofocus performance, and that means face and eye detection capability. In the new EOS M50 Mark II, eye detection AF improvements allow swift AF on faces and eyes from much farther from the camera and much smaller in the viewfinder. Both face and eye detection AF now fully function during servo AF. Eye detection AF is now also possible during video with movie servo AF when recording moving subjects. And eye detection is also much more responsive. You'll see the AF frame follow detected faces and eyes more effectively, even for fast-moving subjects. The EOS M50 has always been a great choice for content creators, but the EOS M50 Mark II will provide even more. Vertical video is convenient for making Instagram stories or any vertical video content for social media. For vloggers, a newly added movie record button on the LCD screen paired with a countdown self-timer gives you an even better vlogging experience. If you're a streamer, the EOS Webcam Utility software can be utilized for an easy-to-use plug-and-play webcam alternative. For advanced streamers, the EOS M50 Mark II offers clean HDMI output. In addition, for users with a YouTube Live account, it's possible to use the EOS M50 Mark II to wirelessly live stream with no laptop required. The brilliant design of the first EOS M50 meant little needed changing. With the EOS M50 Mark II, refinements and improvements to its AF and numerous other areas, along with image.canon compatibility to easily upload and store your content, are features that still and video users can experience every time they use the